At Lennox NAS, we've spent over 25 years perfecting HVAC service programs designed for the unique demands of multi-site businesses, from preventative maintenance to full protection. Our preventative maintenance program features one of the broadest scopes of work in the industry, a comprehensive 40-point checklist performed by NATE certified technicians who service all major brands. The result? Fewer repairs, lower costs, and systems that run longer. For complete peace of mind, our full protection program bundles maintenance and repairs into one predictable monthly fee. No surprise invoices, no quotes to approve, just consistent coverage that can save you up to 20% compared to traditional approaches. Over 850 technicians, 130 plus branches, and a 97% self-performance rate. That's the expertise your operation demands. When your business depends on uptime, you need service built on expertise, not shortcuts. That's Lennox NAS.